We're always looking at innovative ways to build the business and grow the business. And supply chain specifically, we have sourcing offices in Hong Kong. We do some sourcing domestically, and we're always looking at how can we be more creative in that. Is there other markets we can go into? Is there a better way to manage just the life cycle of products from start to finish? What kind of tools can we use as far as product development goes? How do you better build those relationships? How do you have good report cards with those vendors? How do you integrate payments even? How do you send a PO to your factories, get that PO back into your primary system quickly so you can match those things as soon as PO changes come through or order changes come through, all the way through to the payment process. And so we're constantly looking at how we can innovate along the entire supply chain, literally back to when we're making the cost sheet on the product, all the way through to when we actually pay and receive that inventory. So at each I would say sort of channel along the way, we try to infuse a business process review and are constantly talking about that. We have depth in our supply chain visibility, not as much as I would like. It's actually a big initiative for us. I think there's big opportunities for us to improve margin by increasing that visibility and making sure that we really understand when things are changing, whether it's economic issues or whether it's geopolitical issues or whatever the case is along that particular stream. So I'd like to enhance our visibility along the entire process. And to me, that's all technology and the ability to interact with your vendors and your sourcing office and all of your suppliers much more dynamically. We are looking at opportunities, especially for fast turn product. So in my organization, we already have in-house some fast turn manufacturing environments or distribution environments where we can do embellishments or embroidery or screen printing on T-shirts specifically, or uniforms that we have in stock where we are supplying a fire department and we need to get their particular logos on. So that's all localized right now, and we're definitely looking especially at high-end, really creative product where maybe it's a smaller population that needs it. We're making something special for Delta Force or an elite team. We can do that locally, and we can answer the demand much quicker than we can if we're going internationally. Technology. We sort of two ends to it, our technology and using it better, getting better interactions with our suppliers and our vendors, and even internally with our own sourcing offices. And then the other part of it for us, obviously, is just materials and the technical parts of those materials, and then also how fast can we get our hands on those and produce the product that we need. So again, we're always looking to be innovative. It's part of our culture, and I think I would say figuring out how to establish a process to manage that innovation to the end is always the complication, because you also don't want to hamstring creativity and innovation by having too many guardrails. So that's a balance all the time.